Hello everyone, my name is Gideon. I am from Tamil Nadu. So I am currently working as a business analyst in an IT company. So I started my career as an IT professional in 2013. So I worked for 3 years and then I did my MBA from 2016 to 2018. And then I again continued my IT job, now pursuing as a business analyst. So my trading career, it all started when I was doing my MBA back in 2018, when I was in my second year and final year. So I came to know about the stock markets and more about trading and doing a professional trading, doing a profession as a trader. So initially, frankly saying, I did not have any financial background or I did not know anything about finance. In fact, in MBA I chose marketing and HR as my majors. So slowly my interest in trading started increasing, and after my graduation from MBA I started the job again, and this interest in trading was not left behind. So I started as a beginner, so I started exploring myself, googling myself, finding articles in Google and finding trading videos, the techniques, more and more, blah blah blah, as you all beginners would know the struggle. So luckily I found KRMG in my initial phase of trading through Telegram channel. So I remember starting following KRMG for their content. So at that point of time I had some idea about what a candlestick is, what is the support and resistance, and not much more than that, not a structured way of it. So I thought, okay, at this point of time what is needed is sheer guidance and mentorship, which was KRMG's motto. So the founder, Mr. Bhushan, I was in touch with him since the beginning, and he was a great guy. He started motivating, and he told his journey about how he started and all, and it all inspired me. And so I thought, as we go down the lane, I'll also be doing this professionally. So I had this belief, and I had that passion to learn this. So slowly I started following KRMG for like about 8-9 months with only the free channel, the content which they gave. Even it helped me a lot actually. And then I joined the main course in 2019. The foundation course went well, and I slowly started understanding the movement of market, what actually market is. And then I did the advanced course. But I would say that without practice and effort from our side, it is going to be very difficult. You cannot survive, because as you might know, you could have found so many articles saying that 95% of the traders fail, and I have read so many articles why traders fail. So this is the point which I was missing, and which many of us are missing: the guidance, the right path. So someone should take us in the right path, right? The wheel is already invented. We need not reinvent the wheel trying to do something special. So there are a lot of basics actually. When I started my course, I found, okay, these are the things. So it is not going to be happening in a day or in a short span of life. So it's going to be a process. It's going to be a lifestyle as a trader, And I started believing that, and slowly after that, after getting a grip of the market, I did the options course also from KRMG, which was very, very, really interesting, and I really enjoy doing that. So being in pandemic, I currently work from home, so I have not quit my job yet, because I have not started any consistent profits, because I could not watch markets for more time. So I do a lot of paper trade, and I'm really exciting. I am really excited to start with the real money in options particularly. So as you go, you would understand that what market is all about, and why are so many people failing. So that is the main thing. So here in KRMG we can assure that you are taken in the right path, and the important thing is it's forever. It is going to be for lifetime, the commitment is. So there are a lot of good traders, there are a lot of learners like me, beginners like me, who can share their experiences, their knowledge with us, and the journey has been really exciting for me. So I am currently at my hometown, working from my home. So I have planned to set up my trading office in my home itself. So everything has been going good. So I wish you all the best. So I can guarantee that if you are serious about trading, the right place is KRMG to start with and to take you throughout the life. So that's all I wanted to share. So keep safe, keep social distancing. I wish you all the best. Thank you.